Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Okay, so you've got the PEMCO 177AT or whatever it is, whatever color it is, and you have machine screws and lead anchors. So what you do, but you've already installed the threshold, right?
No, we haven't. Okay. We built up the concrete.
Okay, I misunderstood when you said the threshold is installed. So lead anchors are, what I would do is I would take the threshold and I would cut it, cope it, whatever I needed to do to dry fit it. I would then mark.
It's already been dry fit.
So once I had the threshold completely cut to length and coped correctly, I would place it.
What does coped mean?
Cope. It means to cut the profile around the stop, the rabbet, whatever. If you were to look up the term coping saw, you would see. So I would cut it to length and cope it.
Yeah.
You told me to cut, so we're going to get there. So I would dry fit it, and then at that point, I would mark the holes for where the lead anchors have to go. Then, I think you said it was concrete. If it is, you're going to need to measure the outside of the lead anchor and get the appropriate size masonry drill bit and then drill down the appropriate depth. I would probably drill it a little bit deeper because that anchor will expand in not only diameter but in length, I think. Depends on which one you have.
The bottom of it, which goes in first? The top, the ridged part, or the sleeve part?
So I don't know what you were sent, but there should be only.
Go ahead.
There should be only one way in which you can, in your mind's eye, insert the machine screw into, such that when you started to tighten it, it would force the smaller part up into the larger outer part.
Okay. So is there any adhesive used with this?
Adhesive? No. You wouldn't use any adhesive. You'd probably want to caulk the bottom of the threshold. Not probably. You need to caulk the bottom of the threshold. But you want to make sure that your lead anchors are in, that your screws go in nice. Don't tighten them. Just make sure they line up. Take all of that out, turn that threshold over, get your poly seam seal, if that's the caulk you like, and boom, put it in, run the screws down.
I'm sorry, but you cut out on one part, so just bear with me a second. Make sure that the screws are going to go in, then flip over the threshold and caulk the back of it. Is that what you said?
I would caulk the back of it. I would use poly seam seal. That's the type of caulk I like to use. But
wait a minute. I need you to spell that for me if you could. Poly what?
Oh, it's easy, just like it sounds. Poly seam seal. POLY SEAM SEAL. Poly seam seal. Not cheap, but really good. Good and bad.
I'm going to put that on the back of the threshold, and then I'm just going to screw it down. Okay.
Yeah, the underside. Yeah. Obviously, it's crucial that when you're placing it down, that your holes are lined up.
Yeah, I got all that. Yep.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay. All right. Thank you for your help.
Let us know how it turns out, okay?
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.